Hey, what up, what up, what's up? Your boy Steph, you had a shorter fit. Some great trousers. A1. DB. My DB with a scarf. You know how I do, baby. Hey, had to show you guys. Alden Restoration came back. My Aldens came back from the mothership. See what I got in the box. What I got fixed up, sliced, diced, and cut. Oh, I'm so whack. But yeah, I got some shoes. Got some shoes back from alteration. Wow. Some shoes back from restoration. Send it off to Alden. Takes a good century for them to come back. Is it worth it? Yeah, it's worth it. I don't send it back to anywhere else. So I got my letter opener, Gang Vintage. I'm a jugglist holding the camera in one hand, opening it up with the letter opener, you guys see. But yeah, it takes like a good 8 to 10 weeks. They play no games when they say 8 to 10 weeks. They will have your shit for 8 to 10 goddamn weeks. All right, almost got this open. Over here struggling in my heavy breathing and shit. Ooh, slice and dice. Ooh, I'm ready. Receipt, we don't need that. They came back. You guys already know they come back with a fresh set of shoe trees. Also in a new box. Well, these are Alden markup. These are Brooks Brothers for Alden. It's the suede penny loafer. The model number I lost. Not lost, but I can't think of the model number right now. Oh, these are the Aldens I'm wearing right now. 954 Cordovan A1 gang. But yeah, these came back though. I guess right there, the model number is gonna focus. 0006712D. My large ass feet, but this is the Brooks Brothers box. This is the first pair I sent back. Actually, to Alden. Let me see what they give me. Oh, they gave me some fresh shoe trees. Like, I can't speak tonight. I gave me some fresh dust bags. New fresh dust bags. Usually they're the regular Alden ones, but I guess with the Brooks Brothers collab, they send you what they do for Brooks, but so on. But yeah, these are it. Fresh sole, nail head, nail bed, looking A1. Oh, the shoe trees are already in it. Ooh, that's A1. But these are the old ones they gave me. Let me see. I think they just kept these in. Yeah, it's my original shoe trees that I sent with them, but they just kept them inside. But yeah, these ones look A1. They look really good. Came back. See? Yeah, the other one looks good. They look like they could use a nice brushing, but other than that, they look good. Definitely worth the wait. I'm an Alden purist, so it has to go back into Alden's hands to fix. But let me give you a good view. That's it right there. See, they need a little brushing. I'm not too much worried about that. Easy, light work. But yeah, original shoe trees that I purchased, I sent them with the shoes thinking they're going to keep them, but they actually just put them back inside. It's whatever. I don't mind having the new pair and the original pair inside. That's okay. But yeah, this is the bottom. See that? What does it say? Oh yeah, Brooks Brothers. Inside, got the Brooks Brothers Restoration. Also, guys, this is a model restoration for Brooks Brothers for Alden, but that's what that is. Suede penny loafers, suede penny loafers, fully lined. Style number 000067. Got these via eBay. Wore these a couple months. Sent them off to alterations. Wow. Sent them off to restoration. They needed the sole redid. Got them back. So happy to have them back. Put them back into the stable. Get these back up and running. May have to wear these tomorrow. You already no. But yeah, that's it. That's it for this first video. I know I'm rambling on. mixing up my words, but what can I say? Just want to show you guys yours real quick. Look at these babies. Love my babies. Alden for life over here, G. Gang, gang. All right. Thank you guys for sticking around until then. Until next time. Bye.